Vegetable oils are also known as carrier oils, as they act as a carrier for essential oils. Essential oils must be diluted in some carrier oil in order to be safely applied to the skin, as the essential oils are too concentrated and they may cause irritation to the skin, and also they work best when applied to a wider zone of our body. Vegetable or carrier oils must always be cold pressed and be properly stored in a dark container and away from sunlight and heat. Some of the most common carrier oils are sweet almond oil, rich in vitamin A and E. It softens, protects, and tones the skin. Jojoba oil. It has an excellent hydrating properties for the skin, as this oil is similar in composition to the natural skin sebum. It's not allergenic and not toxic. It's rich in vitamin E. Essential oils can also be diluted in other types of carrier. Aloe vera gel is a not oily base that is useful when used for acne treatments.